Hello, we are back. It has been a minute, I know. Oh, well, this will be the second video you see. My beauty resolutions will be the first, and so you've seen that and know what's ahead. But, y'all, I am standing up because my desk is covered in empties. Like, covered. Like that box in the thumbnail. That's a little part of it. So, let's just dive right in. First off, I finished the Bliss Makeup Melt. It's their jelly cleanser. Interestingly, you're gonna hear Teddy jingling around. The first time I used this, I really liked it. This time, like, kind of so-so. I don't know. Oh, let me get a couple candles out of the way. I finished my Cranberry Pear Bellini from Bath & Body Works. Y'all, though, this time it, like, finished up here. That's a lot of candle left. I wasn't thrilled about that. I also finished the Chestnut and Clove from Bath & Body Works and Tree Farm from Bath & Body Works. All bought on Candle Day. Or like, oh wait. No, the Cranberry Pear Bellini was from last year, but the other two were from this year's Candle Day. Okay. I bought that set of Nest holiday candles. There was a trio that was at Nordstrom and Sephora and all these places, and I thought, oh, that's a really good way to have all of them. It's too small to smell it. Like, you have to be sitting right next to it to smell it when it's this small, at least the Nest ones. So that was disappointing because I have it might be in here. I have Trish McEvoy candles that are this small that still scent a whole room, and this did not. I just realized I don't have earrings in, and that's going to bother me. So, moisturizing foot mask from Nature Love. This was a gift from someone. It was good. I finished, here, let's just get them both. I finished my Clinical Densifying Shampoo from Alterna and the Multiplying Volume Conditioner from Alterna. I love these. I think the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging line in general is great. So pick the ones that work for you. Sad to see it go. Teddy. Shh. But the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo that came in a FabFitFun is done. It's done now. So that's gone, and we all know it's so expensive, I will not be repurchasing. Okay, well, I finished one of my Urban Decay All-Nighters, and for the year, I bought 2 more of these because I did actually finish all my finishing sprays in 2019. This was the final one, and then I bought 2. Just 2 for the year ahead. I also have, hold on. I also have this Coola one that came in a FabFitFun. I don't love it. It kind of stings, but I'm keeping it solely for summer, like pool time, beach time. I'm wondering if I'm spraying it on a clean face and I'm only using that, if it's okay, but using it as a setting spray, did not like. Okay, y'all. The Ulta Beauty Bronze Glow Self-Tanning Glow Pads, so they are like a Beta Peel pad, but they're suntan. These work. I would repurchase these, and they were cheap, and then, you know, Ulta does those sales all the time of like 25% off Ulta items, so get these. I finished my Curology, which has clindamycin, azelaic acid, say hi to Teddy, and I don't know if you could see him jump or not, and tretinoin. Finished that. I should be getting a refill soon. They had a switch in the person. In case you don't know what Curology is, it's $20 a month. I don't have a code or anything, but I believe it's $25 to like $35 a month depending on what kit you get. I finally got it that I only get this because I don't need their moisturizer and face wash every month. So I just get this, and you can get a 1-month supply or a 3-month. So they've been sending it to me, but there's a little gap. So right now I'm using a Retin-A from France that I bought off Amazon. So, you know, we'll see. I finished the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Y'all, take a moment and look at that. There is nothing. I mean, truly. Well, let's refocus. I cleaned that out. I'm very proud. Okay. There's this scent from Caudalie Thé de Vignes. That means the vines. This is the shower gel. I love it. I have the the hand lotion. I have the body lotion. I love it. I have found it on Amazon. You can get it on Caudaly's website. It's just not the main one that's sold in stores, but my mom picked up that set in France and we both are like really enjoying that one. I finished a beauty blender. These are still my favorite. I have 2 more, and right now I'm using the Real Techniques dupe and I hate it. And I think I should just, you're not seeing it, but it's the big orange one. It'll just go in here at the end of this video because I've tried it for a couple of days now and I don't like it. And while I'm trying to use things up, if they suck and I have other versions of it, I might as well use the other thing. And somebody's dog is barking like crazy because there's a cat. Hold on. It's shut up for a minute. We'll hopefully keep going. So the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Wash, I finished it. It's good. If you want just a mild exfoliator to use daily, I do recommend this. I finished my Trish McEvoy Beauty Boost Eye Serum. This was my second one for the year. Y'all, I think it is a game changer. I finished my Kai Body Lotion. Don't let this fool you. It's like a little bit left on the side that I cannot get out. I did dig in here. I just don't think I'm a fan of the Kai scent the way other people are. Bye. I finished the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I don't remember what I got this in, but I got it from something, Charlotte's Magic Cream. It is amazing. I don't know if it's worth the giant price tag, but I do enjoy it when I get it in like a box or something. Okay, I do think this worked. This is the No. 7 Dark Spot Correcting Booster Serum. I've used this on dark spots for like acne scars, and I do think it worked. And then I finished my Trish McEvoy Eye Base in Bare, and I don't know if you all can see, but it's like scraped. Like I finished it. Okay, I finished my Humankind Body Souffle. This came in a FabFitFun. It's done. I finished Beach Blonde by John Frieda. Y'all, I've used this since high school. When they discontinued it, I was sad. When they brought it back, you know, happiness came back into the world. This is the best smelling wave spray on the face of the planet. There are better sea salt sprays out there, but if you want a drugstore one, I do recommend this one. And everyone will ask like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. What is that? I can be like, it's my wave spray. I finished a couple more, they're both in here, of the Wander Beauty eye masks. They're so good. They are better than the others. If you haven't seen my other video where I talked about it, they stay. Those gold patches that you see everyone wear, I get it now because they don't slide. You put them on and you can go like wash dishes or do other things. You don't have to just sit in a position. Okay, I tried the Sephora pumpkin face mask just because I was curious if it's like the too cool for school. It was fine. I don't think it's better than like, it wasn't a noticeable difference. I finished the Drunk Elephant Jelly Cleanser that came in my set with my baby facial, full-size baby facial. And this too, same as the other jelly cleanser. It's good, but I just don't think jelly cleansers are great at getting off your makeup. I finished my Nip and Fab Yoga Blend Lotion. That was from a hotel. A Weston lotion from a hotel. I finished the Big Guy, a Boom Boom Cream. Same. I think this too will show you. Oh, there's the tiniest bit left at the bottom, but it's pretty darn done. I finished, you guys, I had a couple of months there. I finished 3. Bad lighting. I finished 3 packs of CosRX. Those are acne patches, in case you didn't know. And I don't know what's different, but this set has just not been as great. I do think Mighty patches are best. Okay, these were those sugar exfoliating cubes that came in a FabFitFun 2 boxes ago. And they do work. They look like a sugar cube, but they exfoliate. They're tough, man. It feels like it's scratching your skin. They work. I would never repurchase. Like, I just love my, my Soap and Glory. Woo, that took a long time. Okay, I finished a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Very proud of that one. We know I love that. I finished my first Olaplex number 3, and I have another. This is Hair Perfector. It's a bond repair, and it really does work. It's great. Okay, R.I.P. Henry Bendel. So I got this candle last year before Henry Bendel closed. It's Manhattan Spice. It smelled delicious. I want to know. I know Henry Bendel closed, but where did their merchandise go? Like, there had to be candles that had been manufactured. Where did they go? Are they at some Tuesday morning somewhere? I've literally looked this up on the internet. If you know the answer, please leave a comment. I finished my Differin gel. In case you didn't know, this is also a retinoid. People don't realize, but adapalene gel is a retinoid. You do not have to get Retin A. Just go to Target or your drugstore and get this. I finished my first set, not my first set. This was a repurchase of the Sephora Glow Peel Pads. These are great. I have another box of them ready to go, but right now I'm on the Trish McEvoy Beta Peel Pads. Same thing. They came in that anniversary sale set. So I'm using those, and then I already have another one of those ready to go. Okay, my parents brought me this back from France. This was their hotel lotions, but it smelled good. Pharmacopoeia body lotion. It's the Argan Oil collection. Finished that. Couple more masks for you. The Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. This was great. Mighty Patches. These are the ones I love for any acne problems. You know, after the holiday, like during the holidays, all that sugar and carbs and stuff that I shouldn't eat, it did a fun number on my skin. So that's why I also use the Soap and Glory Pore Refining Mask. I finished, they don't make these anymore. This is the Bath & Body Works single note candle. Last year, 2018, they came out with these essential oil candles that were just 1 cent. And they made a couple of them this year, but the cranberry was great and they didn't bring it back. Sorry if I sound all congested, I do have a cold. Okay, so bio oil, I finally finished this, y'all. I bought this in like 2010? 2010. I'm not kidding. I remember where I was. And I finally finished it up. I finished the first of 2 Sephora CE Ultra Glow Serums. I think this is supposed to be a dupe for, you know, the Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Serum, as well as CE Ferulic. Obviously, it's not from SkinCeuticals. That's proprietary from what I've heard. So, it still works. I'm on bottle 2 right now. I still use it. New bottle. Okay. I finished the Kiehl's Super Multi-Corrective Cream. This was full size. This came in my 2018 Sephora haul at the holidays, so I'm proud. I finished that up. Very happy. Okay, this I'm just getting rid of. So I bought this. This is The Ordinary's AHA 30 BHA 2% peeling solution. I bought this because everyone said it's a game changer. It's amazing. All these people on YouTube said to buy it. And every time first off, it stung like crazy, and I can handle some stinging. But that wasn't why I got rid of it. Every time I used it, I broke out horribly. And no, my skin was not like purging. So done with this. I finally finished it. All the label wore off. This was the Fab Girl from Bliss, the firming gel that you're supposed to rub on your stomach. I'm sure it doesn't do anything. I mean, I didn't see change. I don't think you can live off this alone. But I did use it up. Can't hurt. I finished a lot of stuff, y'all. Okay, so the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I got rid of that little guy. This came as part of a set I got. And then the Buxom Big T's Mascara. Finished that as well. I liked it. Sorry, I'm seeing a neighbor and I'm sure they're like, what's she doing? Okay, this smells amazing. This is the Fleur de Fig Hand and Nail Balm from Roger and Gallet from France. I still have the perfume of this too. I love fig anything, so I really enjoyed this. Finished my TLC Sakari Baby Facial. Now, y'all, this is expensive, right? It's like $85, something like that. I did it every Sunday for a year, and it lasted the year. Exactly. So it does stretch really far. So just keep that in mind. I think when we all start going like, okay, that over 52 weeks, it's a little less than $3. A sheet mask costs up to $6. When you start doing the like breakdown on the price, it's not as crazy. I finished the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. This is extreme detoxifying and hydrating. So I used this during the winter when it got really dry. Okay, this was the little candle I was talking about. Y'all, this Trish McEvoy Wild Blueberry Vanilla Candle is amazing. It's little. It came in a pack of 3. They sold them at the holidays again this year, so I'm sure they're still at Nordstrom. One Little Guy will light a room. It's soy-based, so it lasts a lot longer. And it is a scent unlike any other scent you've ever had, and everybody will go, what is that? It smells amazing. Where did you get that from? I'll be like, it's my little secret. Okay, Pure Lease Green Tea and Vitamin C Sheet Mask. I finished another one of those. This Cica Pear Tiger Grass Cream from Dr. Jart. I tried it. I don't know. It's fine. Okay, this line correcting stuff from Number 7. Everybody showed this last year around this time. Like, they did a big promotion with a bunch of YouTubers, and they all came on here on Instagram, were like, this is amazing, and it's game-changing, and blah, blah, blah. And I finally went and tried it, and I do think it really works in conjunction with other things. I would repurchase. It's expensive for drugstore, but Target every now and then, like, different places will put it on like 50% off discounts here and there throughout the year. So be on the lookout for that. I would repurchase this. I just have quite the bag of serums to get through. So that's why I'm not. I finished my little Not a Perfume. I'm just calling it on this because I think it got old. This was my Milk Cooling Water Stick. I love these. I have a little guy right now of it. I love it. It's just, it was 2 years old, so we're calling it. Okay, this had a scent. Uriage Cleansing Cream. This was a face wash. It had a scent. I'm not a fan. I finished my Boom Boom Moisturizing Shower Gel Cream. It's wonderful. I would never pay full price for this, but if you can get like a gift set with Boom Boom Cream and this, cool. We all know I love this. This is the Sephora eye makeup remover. I love it. I think it's wonderful. Would buy again, have bought again, have a big giant bottle in my bathroom right now. Oh, this is empty. It doesn't look empty, but that's literally the bottom. This is the Sugar Dream Advanced Therapy, and it's the pink tint one. I love all the Sugar lip products. And then this really does work. If you are lighter now in the winter than you were in the summer, but you have foundation you bought in the summer and it's too dark, go get this NYX Pro Foundation Mixer. This is one of those products that's sold in like NYX stores and Ulta. I haven't seen it at like Target with the NYX stuff, but it really does work. It doesn't change the formula, but it will lighten it. It's really good. I would buy this again. Okay, 2 Jonathan Adler Grapefruit Body Washes. Used those up. They were great. I finished my first thing of my giant Amore Pacific K Beauty warehouse sale purchases. This is the Time Response Eye Renewal Cream from Amore Pacific under the eye. This little guy lasted about a month, and it did work. I thought it was good. This is the Honey Potion from Pharmacy. Y'all, I think it went bad. I used it. Let me see if I used the whole thing, because I can't remember. Yeah, I did use it. But it's supposed to be warming, and I've done it when I had it fresh, and it does. When you put it on, your skin gets warm, and this last time it did not warm, and I thought, oh, I think it might be bad. Okay, I finished another Curology. We're down to the last things. And I finished the Rapid Lash XL for eyes, for your lashes to make them longer. I don't know if it did anything, but I also think I may have waited too long to use this. And then another body wash from France. And then last thing, this I would repurchase. This is the Fresh Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate. This worked, and I think it worked really well. I would buy this again. Still working through stuff from a year ago in that black tea line. So that is everything, I think. Let me check. Oh, one more. Just kidding. One more. This mask is cool. Y'all, if you can get your hands on Innisfree double fit masks, they're very cool. You put on the one piece and then the other loops around your ears, and they're they have like 2 different things going on. It's very interesting. I liked this. I'm glad I picked up a lot of these at that K-Beauty warehouse sale. I'm very glad I did. So that is officially it. Let me know in the comments what you have finished recently, and I will see you next time live to go through my next empties once this box is full again. Okay? Bye.